Today is the day we get on the ship. And we purchased Faster to the Fun. We also did the valet parking. So easy, so easy. Pulled up, they took our luggage, they gave us a ticket for our car. We walked off, and then they came and got us to get the keys. I mean, you know,
Yeah,
they did get them.
I did almost forget that.
Yeah, and so far it has been a breeze. We are already sitting here waiting to go on, and we will go on right after the Diamond people. So I'm so excited. I mean, what an amazing morning already.
We're the first 4 here, wasn't we?
Yes, we were.
Yeah, and where y'all from?
Cincinnati.
Cincinnati. Wow, guys. Thank y'all for being there. Can't wait to hang out with this bunch. Bye, guys.
Us too.
Then Faster to the Fun and everybody in this particular section right now. When it's time to board the ship, this whole section will stand up and face all them, okay, and start to sing. They're not boarding when you are. You're going on the ship first. How about that?
Yeah!
After them, of course. Yeah. Diamond Platinum Suites. So we're going to sing. It's 11 words. It's the chorus to a song. Most of you should already know this. Just looking at the age bracket, I think you will all know this song, even you. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. Sing along. This is the first rehearsal. We're not getting sworn in. You have to sing at a little melodic harmony. I wanna rock and roll all night. I didn't say for the second stanza. I wanna rock and roll all night. And now the next part, wait. The next part, part 2, that's already forged and done, involves some physicality. One arm, the right arm, has to do this motion. So here we go. And party every day. Party every day. No, not this. This. Switch hands, maybe. Wow. Don't do that either. All right? You don't have to stick your tongue out, but it's optional. So again, guys, that's our first rehearsal. You will have fun by singing to all of them. On a rock and roll all night. And party every day. Got it this time. Yours is close. This is close.
Hold on, I'll videotape you. Go. Jump! Ah, happy birthday! What did we just get done?
Muster drill. First
All
thing
done.
on the ship.
We're
Do
done.
it.
Still in the morning. We're in here at Tampa, y'all. Go ahead.
It is so nice to be on the ship early. We very rarely get to the back of the ship where the slides are on any cruise that we take. And we were actually able to get some video footage without anybody being here. And it is amazing. It's a nice day, it's breezy, it feels great, and it's nice to be on the ship where there's not a lot of people right now. We know it'll get busy later, but nice little quiet time for us.
Yeah, for Faster to the Fun, I'm telling you, this is really selling me on, especially for Carnival. You know, this early, the valet, all the ship looks really nice so far from what we've seen.
Yep.
We've seen our room, dropped off our stuff. That's really cool to be able to do, you know,
To not have to
and
carry
not have to
that
carry
bag.
everything around.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's show you a little bit of the ship back here, Kurt.
Wow, there ain't nothing like cruise day, y'all. Look at this. Look at me. I am touching some tail.
When you get on the ship, here's a little tip. Make sure that everybody else is up there eating, right? And you've got to run to the restroom because you've been sitting there waiting to get on the ship for a little bit. Check out deck 9. It's empty and the bathrooms have just been cleaned and it was perfect. Nobody's around.
Look what I got. Blue iguana. I got me a new Tervis cup for coffee in the mornings, guys. And guess what's in this? Fun ship punch.
You want the buttercream citrus cake first?
No, I want the
He wants that one.
and some cookies. Thank you. Oh, cruise stays together.
You can't jump on a Carnival ship without the cheesecake confetti and a fun ship. Welcome aboard.
Excuse me, huh? Joyce. Thank you. Of course, everybody's hitting Guy's Burger, guys. Look at that. Yeah, they're liking that. I love it. It is delicious. Hi. So, for my friends from besties from SCT Adventures, Greg and Felicia, I found your hangout bar that y'all like to, when you're people watching and stuff like that. It would be here at the United States Bar on Carnival Paradise. You know. All right, let's see who the captain is. Captain. Shot gas exchange. Yeah, look who got our sign right. Yeah.
We just finished our shot glass exchange, and we had over 52 people play in that shot glass exchange. Now, we weren't in charge of it, and we had a great time. Check out our shot glasses.
Yours is really unique, ain't it?
Mine has a unique glazing feature that not every single one is alike. The Kurt got one from the Great Lakes.
Law Jones. Great Lakes.
Great Lakes, guys.
There you go.
Watch CME Traveling.
And happy birthday to her, and happy birthday to her. Woo!
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.